Submit little package I hold in my hand. I've got it together. They call me the girl. Oh, it's just what to say and do. Still I'm fumbling fall right into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love. A kid out of school, a fire of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm away. I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. So pardon me if I should stay. I tremble like a child, but wanting me lived all over your face is driving me wild. I'm just what you make me. Can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be. I'm just another woman in love, a kid out of school, the fire of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm away. I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. I'm just another woman in love, a kid out of school, the fire of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm away. I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love, just another woman, just another woman in love. Cause mine is not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know. They're just getting over you. I know I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see there's nothing else for me to do? I'm hopelessly devoted to you. Right now, there's nowhere to hide since you pushed saying, don't let go. Hold on to the end, and that's what I intend to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. When I said I needed you, and you said you were always there, it wasn't me who changed about you, and now you're gone away. But don't you say that now you've come, and you left her on my own, but I had to follow you and beg you to come home. You don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever, I will understand. Believe me, I can't help but love you. But believe me, I'll never tie you down. Left alone with just a memory. Life seems dead and so unreal. All that's left is our loneliness. There's nothing left to feel. You don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever, I will understand. Believe me, oh, you don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever, I will understand. Believe me, wasted days and wasted nights I have left for you behind. For you don't belong to me, you are belongs to someone else. Why should I keep loving you when I know that you're not true? And why should I call your name when you to blame for making me blue? Don't you remember the days that you went away and left me? I was so lonely, but for your only my love. Why should I keep loving you when I know that you're not true? And why should I call your name when you to blame for making me blue? Don't you remember the days that you went away and left me? I was so lonely and prayed for your only my love. Why should I keep loving you when I know that you're not true? And why should I